What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Disenchanted Cheers. It's good to see you. I'm so excited to be filming this video. I finally received the shoes that I had ordered, and if you know me, I'm a shoe fanatic. I absolutely adore shoes. I come back and gravitate towards Vans / Converse or like flats, and I feel like that's just like the OG Maria, like back in the day, like fucking band alternative style. I don't know, but these are very much amped up Maria sneakers, so I wanted to show you guys, and I'm so excited because shoes are my love. So here we go. Let's start with pair number one. Okay, so pair number one is a collab Van times Vivienne Westwood, and these are absolutely badass because you can see the Vivienne Westwood orb, and the letter, the font is so cool. And like I said, this goes back to my roots, like Vans, everything. Like that was my literal middle school like uniform. So it's so cool that I found these. I didn't even know there was like a collab, but I'm so happy that I found them because they just amped up everything. And yeah, so, and a little background on Vivienne Westwood. She actually started her career as a stylist for the Sex Pistols, and if you're familiar with late 90s to 2000s fashion, she was very prominent in that scene. Like you can go back and see Gwen Stefani, like all of the artists that were like big and popping at that era, they were all wearing Vivienne Westwood. Actually, in her song Rich Girl, she mentions that she's gonna like clean out the store, something like that. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, this is more of a high-end collab with Vans. Honestly, when I found them, I was like, what the hell? I didn't even know that they had done that collab, but I'm so glad I found them. These were actually, I got them for, I think I got them for 50 bucks, and that's a freaking steal because everybody was selling them for like 200 and stuff like that. And they're legit. As you can tell, they still have the tag on them and everything, never been worn. And I actually like that the sole looks like it's already been worn, but it's not. Like the bottoms are completely like dead stock, so that's pretty cool. I also got these earrings that are also Vivienne Westwood, and they're just the orbs. Let me see. Well, actually, hold on. My boyfriend got the bracelet, and it looks so good on. And we also got the earrings, and these are just like the logo, the orbs, and they're just so like iconic. Like honestly, these are just so beautiful. Like they dance in the light, and we prefer silver over gold always, but that gold that he had on that bracelet, it just looks so like clean and like, yeah, like you can't go wrong with Vivienne Westwood. Like honestly, she's awesome. She's a good designer. So I'm so happy that we finally got some pieces that, you know, were gonna be like long time pieces that they're just essential for your closet. Second pair of shoes I haven't even opened. I'm gonna open them here in front of you on camera and hope that they're what I expected to, because how funny would it be if it was something completely different? So I'm gonna open them. I've been waiting to open them. I honestly should have opened them as soon as they got here, but I wanted to open them in camera because I wanted to be surprised on camera, because these shoes, just like the first pair, they're like an amped up version of what I wore back in the day. And like I said, style just comes back and it evolves. So I'm so excited to be putting pieces that were so me back in the day, but now they're gonna be so me because like their designs are just, you know, coming with us. Like they're just evolving with us. So yeah, these are a pair of Converse that I just fell in love with. Honestly, I should have maybe waited a little bit more, but as soon as I saw them, I clicked buy, and I did not regret. Hopefully I'm not gonna regret any of that money spent. So here we go. Got my little razor here. Like I said, hopefully it's what I've asked for. Hopefully it's my size. Oh shit, the mailman. Guys, I am not kidding you. The mailman just came, and I think he just dropped off another pair of shoes that I bought. So that would be fucking crazy if actually he did. So let's open these up and then see if I just got the other pair. I get so excited when I get shoes in the mail. It's like Christmas, but like amped up because you're getting exactly what you wanted. So alright, so as you can tell, it is a pair of Converse, but not any just plain Converse. No, these are, you guys are gonna see them before I do, so. And it's paper. I'm just kidding. Look at these freaking beauties. God. Look at that sole. Like, I'm telling you, these designs, they're just getting better and better. Like, who would have thought that a braided sole would look so freaking bomb? Look at that. Jeez. They are looking a little big, so hopefully they're not on me. Hopefully they're just, the color blocking usually makes it look bigger than they are. So here are the Converse platforms, black and white, and the white is not that stark white color. As look, that's the stark white, and this is more of an off-white cream beige color. These are so beautiful. I gotta try them on because I really don't know if they're my size, but let's hope they are. The Converse actually fit. Like I said, maybe it's the color blocking that makes them look bigger than they are, which I don't have a problem with, but they look so good on. Like, I think I'm gonna do a try on. I think I'm gonna either do a try on or I'll show you guys what I posted on my Instagram if I do a fit with them. But like I said, these are just my style back in the day, but amped up. I really can't believe that Converse, I mean, back in the day, who would have thought that they would make designs like these? Like, these are just my dream shoe, honestly. Like, I've been waiting for a cool pair of Converse to come out, and here they are. You're gonna be seeing me wear these like all my outfits in the fall or winter, and these are gonna be in my closet for forever. So cool. And now we're gonna go check on that package because I think that's for me, so be right back. My other package actually just arrived. How crazy is that? We're gonna open them on camera because it's always the safest thing to open on camera anyways. So let's see what's the best way to open these. This way. How crazy is that? Like, I didn't even remember that I had these like waiting to be delivered, so how cool.
There he is, package.
What if I got scammed? It's on camera. Okay, it feels like shoes, so let's see. All right. So these are the shoes I ordered. I've been wanting a pointy pair of short. They're not that short, honestly. If when I look at them now, on the description they were kind of shorter. But these, I just want like something pointy to stick out of like when I wear jeans or black pants or something. Yeah, I'm gonna try them on because these are pretty high, but I mean, I think I could deal. Yeah, just a black pair of pointy heels. Honestly, I don't know if these are gonna be like wearable. I might just get the picture, like take a picture of my outfit and get them over with, because like they feel pretty stiff and the heel is so teeny tiny that I feel like one wrong move and they're gonna snap off. So yeah, maybe these might be OOTD worthy, but not wearable. So that's kind of an L, but they're cute. I mean, they'll make for a good picture, but I don't know if I'll be able to wear them in the long run. So this only shows you that what you see on Instagram is not always a reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. Let me know what was your favorite pair of shoes that I just got, or if you watched my other video, let me know if there's another shoe collection that you want to see from me. Also, I've been planning to film my sweater collection since fall is coming up, and like I said, fall is my favorite season. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
It's okay in the day, I'm staying busy, tied up enough so I